Oh, why, hello.
Hi, yes, sir. Now, actually, I come to you with a bit of a problem we've been having. So, down in production, we are making the latest aircraft, which is called the Q110. Now, this is planned to be a aircraft in the series of the Dash 8. Now, there's a bit of a typo with the document. You see, so we are going to title it the Q110, but somebody put one too many zeros on the end. It's now the Q1100.
Well, I don't see the problem.
Well, you may not see the problem, but everyone knows that the size of the number after the Q determines the length of the fuselage, right?
Well, no, not exactly.
No. Okay. Well, that's how we all thought that it went. So, the length of your latest aircraft is now the size of a 777. 300. ER.